This is a cat. Cat, cat, cat.
Kitty stacks toys one by one, building towers full of fun. Up so high then wobble pop, giggles when they plop and drop.
This is a zebra. Zebra, zebra. Woohoo.
Zebra runs so fast today, colorful kite flies away. Wind goes whoosh up in the sky, stripey friend says way up high.
This is a lion. Yeah, lion, lion.
Time to water my beautiful garden. They look thirsty. Here you go, flowers. All done. You look so happy.
This is a tiger. Tiger, tiger.
Tiger bakes cookies sweet, mixing yummy little treats. Round and warm right from the tray. Happy snack time every day.
This is a dolphin. Dolphin, dolphin.
Dolphin kicks the ball so high, splashing water to the sky. Flip, flip, jump and score today. Ocean friends all shout hooray!
This is a dinosaur. Wow.
Stego plants a little tree, growing tall for all to see. Dig, dig, pat the ground with care. Happy leaves wave in the air.
This is a donkey. Donkey, donkey. Wow.
Donkey taps the drum so loud, making music for the crowd. Boom, boom, beat and silly dance.